Take these two covers off. You can either use a pick or a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath this cover, pry it out, just like that. Same with this one. There's a screw right there. Use a 7mm socket, take it out. Same with this one. You can use a pick or a magnet to get the screw out. Grab the light assembly and slide it back. There's 2 pins holding it on. Disconnect the connector right here. If you have to, you can use a pick or a screwdriver, get underneath the clip and slide it off. And take the new light, line the connector up, lock it down, slide those pins where they go. And just push. Now we're going to install the screws. To prevent the screws from falling out of the socket, I'm just going to take a little piece of masking tape and tape on the front of the socket. And you can take the screw, slide it in, then it won't fall out. Just makes it easier to get this started. And then do the same on the other one. Once it's started, you can take that masking tape off. And snug these down, not too tight. Just snug. Take the cap, line the cap up, and lock it down.